Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will gonna see how to create a very interactive report or interactive dashboard kind of thing from any Excel data using Google Data Studio, which is available freely. Anybody can use it. Just you need an internet connection and a Google account or Gmail account. Basically, you need to have a Google account. So you can basically log in and you can you can upload your CSV or Excel data, like if you have time series COVID data, country wise, state wise, district wise, at whatever level you have population data, rainfall data. So basically you can create from that simple Excel data or CSV data a very interactive dashboard or report kind of thing. Like this is this kind of data, basically dashboard you can create. As you can see, it is pretty interactive. This is a map. You can wherever you move your mouse, it will show you the confirmed cases. It has given the color also. So this is the cumulative cases, this is the daily cases, this is the table showing the cases, this is the counters, death, test, this is the filter for date wise, then country wise filter. So this all has been created from one simple Excel data and in a matter of minutes only. So if you click on India, so as you can see, it will filter all the data. It will change these cases, death, everything based on the India. It will change the graph, daily, cumulative, and here everything. Okay, and you can reset it. It will click on China, so it will change according to that. And further, if you want to see for that particular day, suppose for India, if I select here for particular day, so it will show you the statistics based on the particular day. So you can basically, you are interacting with the data, and if data is simply in the Excel, you just upload it. Now you are able to interact with the data. I just reset it. Further, you can basically filter based on the date. You can give the between this date to this date based on the country from here. So like this, you can basically filter it out. And one more thing is pretty interesting with this. You can basically share the link for this report to anybody. Just that person will open this in the browser and it will be able to do the same interaction with the dashboard like I'm showing you. This is the pretty simple. If you have time series data like this, you can create. And if you have any population data, this is the another example of it. Let me show you this also. This is pretty simple population data. If you have USA population data, so you will be able to create this kind of thing. And even these kind of map, like here Google map, you can click, move the satellite and everything. Okay, like this, you can make a full screen map also from here. So this kind of map also you can create. This is the street view. So I will show you in this video how to create these dashboards from the pretty simple, like these are the two Excels I am having. This is the COVID data. I'll show you the example. This is the locations means country. This is the date. Total cases means cumulative case for that particular date. Like for this particular day, 20 cases cumulative up to that date. And this is the new cases means daily cases. This is the total death, new deaths, similarly cumulative and daily deaths. Like this vaccination test, and these are the data I have downloaded from the internet, and I will share this data in the link also. You can download it and you can create your own dashboard kind of thing. And second data set, I'm having a population data, pretty simple. You have a state name here, and these are the attributes in Excel. So let me start it from the scratch, how to do that. So you just go on the Google, sign in. Just let me go on Google, type Google Data Studio. So this is the app we will be going to use. Just click here, Google Data Studio. There will be option called use it for free. Just click here, use it for free. Then you just log into your Google account. You need to have a Google account for that. And give the password. Pretty simple. Just go to next. So now it will show you, okay, this kind of thing, create reports. So these are the few of the reports. Okay, let me zoom out a bit, 90%. Okay, this is fine. So these are the some of the reports. It is already available. You can go through this report. You can see how people have created the reports, how you can interact with this. Then data sources means you have to create your own data set. Basically, you have to upload your data. So what we will do, you just click here, create report data source. Just click here, report. When you first time sign into Google Data Studio, it will ask you something, your country and I think your some company name or something, you have to just give that name, your country and company name, anything. You can give your name and just go through. Then this is the entitled report, title report, but it is asking you to add a data to the report because you need data to create a report. So whole lot of options are there for creating the report. But what we will do, we will use a pretty simple kind of let me just little bit zoom out a bit. So a lot of options are there: file upload, Google Ad, Google Sheet, BigQuery, and I think another options are there. A lot of options are there. So what we will do, we will upload a pretty simple. So we will use the MySQL and PostgreSQL database option is also there. But what we will gonna do, we will gonna use pretty simple basic file upload kind of thing. Just click on the file upload. So it will ask you to upload the CSV data. Just click here, click to upload file, go to the file. This is our Excel file, CSV, you can say CSV data. So it will upload that data like it is uploading right now. Let me zoom out a bit. So as you can see, it is uploading the data. 59% is completed. This is the name is coming. Okay. So it is showing 2 because I had already uploaded one time this data. So that's why it is showing 2 names. Otherwise, now it is processing. In your case, it will show you only one name only, because I had already earlier uploaded this file. So now your file has been uploaded. Just click on add here. Number of files 1. So now just click here, add to report. So you have created new report and you have attached your data to the report. By default, it will create one table kind of thing. But before doing all these things, you can add a lot of things, chart and control and everything. Before that, what we will do, just go on the resource, just click manage edit data sources, because we have to see whether our fields are okay, whether field type is okay. We have to select our which field is basically location, state name or everything, that you'll see. So this is our data source. Just click here, edit. So these are the fields. As you can see, you can rename the fields and do a lot of stuff here. So automatically it has taken country by default, but usually it don't take, because we have given the name location. I will change it to country. Okay, so it has already taken. Otherwise, what you have to do, country, there is an option called geo. So basically you are geocoding, because we will add a map to it. So Google should know, this data studio should know which field is basically geographic information is there in which field. So that field will select and will select geo, and you have to tell it whether it's a country subdivision. Means if it is a subdivision, first means state name, second level maybe county, like district in India, then city. So I will select country here. So by automatically it has taken, but in your case you may have to select this. You have to tell the Google. Date, it is not taking right now. As you can see, if I'll select date, it is saying format is not okay, because you have to tell Google in what format your date is. Some people write it year, month, date. Here it is date, month and year. So basically what we have to do, we have to change it to that way. So it's a pretty simple query is there. Just copy this query and let me give this date old name, because, and after that I will create a will add a field and just give a name to it. Okay, and just copy paste this formula. Okay, I'll give this formula in the description also. Yes, so here parse date, because percentage D means date, month, year. In your case it may be year, month, date, so accordingly you can change. Okay, and here I will give the name underscore old. So because this is our date now, so we are parsing it. We are telling the Google, okay, this date old field is having first date, then dash month, then dash year. So I will save it and we will make it done. So now if you see, automatically just click here, edit. So automatically you'll see date. Automatically it has taken this as date. Okay, so now it is taking is as a date. So now we are fine. Another thing, all fields it is taking a text. We have to create it. We have to basically change it to a numeric. Everything. Like this is the new cases, daily cases. So what I will give the name confirmed cases. I will give the name into confirmed case. Confirmed cases. Okay. Then I will give this is the okay. It is basically it is sorting it out every time. Then let me give this pretty simple name death. Then let me give it tests, because these are daily tests. So we are giving confirmed cases, daily confirmed. Then we will give a name to a cumulative test, cumulative vaccinations and everything. New vaccination means we just simply give vaccinations. Okay. Let me go for vaccinations, and the test is okay. Total cases we will give cumulative, because this is cumulative for up to that particular date. Again it will load. Here it is cumulative death. Any name you can give. I'm just giving it cumulative. Is basically up to that particular date, total number of death cases or basically test. And confirmed cases means on that particular date, basically for single date. And like similar, death is up to the on that particular day. And also vaccinations mean for that particular day, how many vaccinations have been done. So okay, this is cumulative spelling. So now our field, we have renamed it them properly. Now we have to change it to a numeric, every field number, because confirmed cases is numeric, cumulative cases is numeric, cumulative death is numeric, cumulative test is numeric. Maybe in your case you may not have to change, automatically Google will the studio will take it as a numeric, but in my case it is not taking. So it's always better to check. So I am just changing those fields which I am going to use in the report. Test. So I think these I will only test cumulative vaccination. So I think this is fine. Only these many fields we're gonna use. Just make it done and just close it. So now we will create, I will delete this table. We'll start from the scratch. Just add a chart. So first I will add a table. I will create a table like here. Let me just zoom out a bit. Okay, and this is my table. When you click on the table, it will take the date range. Okay, it's fine. Dimension, you can give a country, and instead of metric, basically this field, you can give confirmed cases death. Let me go for confirmed cases. Why I'm using confirmed cases? Because I'm using sum. This sum means basically it is creating a sum of all the dates, basically for all the dates for each and every country. For United States, for all the dates, automatically it is adding. You can make a mean, average, whatever you want to do. That's why I'm using confirmed cases. I'm not using cumulative confirmed cases. Okay, then you can add a control. I think date range control we have to add, because if anyone want to see from which range to which range, and here you can select auto range from start, from which date you want to give, like January 1st. Our data is from January 2020 to July 31st. So you can give that range. So anybody can search data between these. Then you can add another control by filter drop down list based on any, like based on country also you can filter. So I will let it be like this only. Then let me just make a little bit down. Then we can add this kind of thing, scores, like this is date is fine, confirmed case is fine. So let me add it total cases. Okay, this is fine. Total, I will give a name total cases, and this is total field. I will select confirmed cases. You can give any name. This is fine, I think. Then you can add further, you will add more counters for deaths, for vaccination. Here I will give select here, instead of confirmed cases I will give deaths. This is death, and further you can change the name. Like here we have given sorry, this one, confirmed cases, death, test. So let it be the same name. I will not change the name. Cases, let me go for confirmed cases. This is fine. Then I will add more, like how many vaccinated, vaccinations, and finally I will add total tested. This is the tests. So I have added the counters. One more thing what you can do, you can basically click okay. Later on I will do this. First I will add all the things, all the charts and everything. So we have added this. Now we will add a map to it. Let me go for this. Then there's option Google Map, Google Field. So I will use GeoChart. I will show you another map also, where you can interact with the map, zoom and everything. And this is the map. Date range dimension is fine. Country. Here you can see make map based on any of the attribute, death and everything. So I will make map on the basis of cumulative. Sorry, only on the case of confirmed cases. This is fine, I think. And what all are the other things? Let me check this. Okay, graphs also we will make 2 graphs. I will make this table a little bit bigger. Then I will add time series graph here. This is fine, I think. Here this is, I will click here. You see this is date is fine on this dimension. Here confirmed cases. Okay, this is also fine because we want to see the daily cases, because confirmed cases are daily cases. Then second chart, what we will do, we will add another chart here. Hell lot of number of charts are there. I'm just making 2-3 maps. You can create a pie chart, bar chart, everything. So I'll make only these. Then you can just make another map. So here I will change it to the cumulative cases, because in one case I want to show daily cases, and in one how cumulative cases are looking. So this is the cumulative cases. So we have, okay, sorry. So we have 2 kinds of graphs here. Now one more thing what we have to do here, we have to link all these things. So one by one what we will do, let me just first zoom out a bit, otherwise we'll not be able to, yeah. If you click on this map, just click here apply filter. So apply filter means whenever you click on any country, all the other data will change. Similarly, you click on table, you just, okay, I have to apply filter here. So whenever I click in table in any country, it will filter all the data. Similarly for graph, just apply filter. For everything I will select apply filter. And I think in this case, no need to apply because automatically these are filters. So no need to do that. So this is fine. I think we have applied filter for each and every component of our this thing. Now we can add, you can add text and everything. I will add a text here. Okay, I will write COVID-19 dashboard, just like this. I will make it a bold, and let me, sorry, okay, it's too big, I think. Let me just make it a bit smaller. Maybe 32 is fine. Yeah, this is fine, I think. And you can add further more text if you want. Here you just show them cumulative cases. And again, wherever you click on any component, you can change the style of it, bold. These are daily cases. So now I think we are ready with our this thing. This report is ready. As you can see, everything. Now we'll see how it looks like when we'll. So you can basically export, download it as a PDF. So if you click here, you download. So it will download as a PDF. And also, actually, you can change a lot of things like table. If you click here, style is there. You can change the how your table looks. This map also, you can change the colors of this legend for everything, graphs, everything. So you can change according to your need. I have created a pretty simple one. And also this is here, these are the basically style of this report. If I click here, it will give the black color to it, like this. So lot of these styles are there, so you can change if you want to change it. So this is our report which has been downloaded. So how it looks like this. This is our report. So this is in PDF. You cannot interact with this PDF. So I'll show you how to. And also you can just give a name here. COVID. Just give the name to your report. It's fine. So now this your report is ready. Another thing you can do, you can just view from here, and you can just make a present. So now it is in presentation mode. You can, if you move the mouse, it will show the value. If you click on anything on the map, it will filter it. It will show the graphs for that particular. It will change these values according to that country. Like for China, Russia, you see, so it will change everything according to Russia. If you click on China, it will change according to the China. Like to USA, India. So like for this India, if you click for that particular day you want to see, you just click on that particular day. So it will basically for that particular day, it is showing all these statistics, all this everything for that particular day. And here there is a reset button. If you click here, it will reset it, everything it will reset. And also in table also, you select India, so it will highlight everything for the India like this. Just reset it. Further from here, you can change the date, like start date. If you change it to 2021, like suppose I want to see for between March and July, what was the situation, so it will change according to that. So these are the things you can, you're basically interacting with the data. If you have Excel data, you can just see the data, you can create few of the graphs, but here you are interacting with the data and dynamically changing, seeing it change, how it is changing. So I think this is a pretty cool feature of this thing. And here I think that's it. I will show you one more cool feature of it. Okay, let me just make it back to January 2020. Otherwise you can just reset it, so it will reset it automatically. One more cool feature is here. Let me show you that. You can share this. Here it's option for share. You just click get link report. You can download it as a PDF. Just what you do, just click here, share. So it is asking you, you can give the email addresses, so it will mail the, I think, the link to them. Also you can give the permission, edit, or otherwise what you can do, you just click here, manage access. This is the link you can share with anybody, and here you can give the permission. Anybody can, or internet can find and view, means anybody on the internet can find and view also, and can find and edit. If you do not share, anybody can find it also. But if you want to just share it, so basically you just click here, anyone with the link can edit also. But I will just give this link, anyone with the link can view. Select this, just copy this link, just save this link. So now this is our link. Okay, just go on any browser, just pass on this link to anybody. That person just copy paste that link in the browser, and he will be just, he need a internet connection for viewing the dashboard like this. Just that person can go and present, and now this is ready. Anybody can interact with this. So it's a pretty cool feature. You can create your own dashboard, and you can even share with everything. That person need not to have anything, just need to have an internet connection or a browser, web browser. So this is the pretty cool feature of it. So you can add many graphs. Let me just edit here. So whole lot of graphs, add chart, a lot of things are there, but I have added only. And one more thing, what you can do here, let me show you. This kind of map also you can add, like bubble map. You see here, instead of that, you can click a bubble. Just click on this map. It is asking you country, like size. Just click on the size, confirm cases. So based on the confirmed cases, it will give the radius to this. As you can see, USA and India, the bubble is pretty big, like this. Okay, this is the bubble map. And if you want field map, so this is the Google map, not GeoChart. This is a Google map. You can basically zoom in and zoom out also, like I will show you. Okay, this is the this is the map. So now if I view this map, I'll show you. If I will present it, so now you can zoom in, zoom to that map. And also one more thing you can add here, let me just edit it. You can give the option to switch to the satellite view also. You click on this map, just go on the style. Here there is an option, show map type control also. Like now if you view, you just present it. So now you can switch it to the satellite view also. You can zoom in, zoom out, everything works similar. You can make a full screen map. So like this is how you can change the map type also. Okay, let me go to the simple map only. I think this one, GeoChart, is fine for me. So I think this is okay. So now if I go again, if you click here on this button, so already this report has been saved. You just click here, you will go back to that report. You can always edit, start editing and everything. So pretty quickly I will create another report for USA population, this kind of data. This is the USA state name, and this all the attributes related to population is there. So what you have to do again, just you have to create new report. And again it will ask you to upload the data. Just click on the file upload, just click to upload files, and here just select this, your CSV file again. In a matter of seconds it will upload it. Okay, it's the size is very small, that's why. just edit. Add to report. So again we will go, let me just delete this table. Let me just, we again check our data whether our fields and everything are okay or not. We just go edit. So as you can see, all are numeric, it's fine, no need to change anything. Only thing we have to change, state name, it is taking it as text, we'll select it, we'll go for geo, and instead of country we will give country subdivision 1. First level means state name. Just continue and just done. So I think here we are okay. Now very quickly we will add all the things. Let me see the things what we're gonna add. Okay, table, bar graph, filter. Okay, so very quickly I will add all the things. Again we'll go add for table. Then just go on, when you add table just select state name. Here you select population. Let me go for persons. This is fine. Then very quickly I will add a bar graph in this case. Let me go for a bar graph here, and okay, instead of person let me go for employed. This is fine, I think. Then add control, drop down list you can add here based on the state name. Another control, you can want to fix list. Okay, this is fine. Instead of your record count you can select maybe persons only, it's fine, I think. Okay, this is fine. Then you can add counters also. Let me go for one counter for the persons. You can just always copy paste. You can go for female. You can go for another one. It depends on you how many number of counters you want to see, how many number of data sets you want to see. Instead of female, okay, sorry, just close it. Here let me select male. Okay, we are done. Then you can add another, let me go for a pie chart. You can select based on the, let me go for employed. Anything you can create here actually. Then this geo chart, pretty simple geo chart we will add. Okay, based on this person only, and I will add another map, bubble kind of map in this case. Based on, I will add size based on males. Let me go, and you can color metric also you can add, it depends on you. Based on the color you can give based on the families, so it will give different colors for families. Okay, I just close it also, no problem. Okay, and here you can give the option for show map type control. Oh, I think that's it. This all are the things we wanted to add, and you can always change a color of the map, everything. So I think this is okay. Then you can basically apply filter to everything. Like for this map you can click here, apply filter, and for this map apply filter, for this bar graph apply filter, for this apply filter. I think no need for this. For this apply filter. Okay, apply filter. So yes, now these all are connected to each other. So pretty quickly we will go for view. Okay, let me just give any name to it. Sorry, I will edit it. Fine, now we will view it. We will just present it. So now this is So you click here, everything will be, this map will be zoomed to these values and everything is fine. You can, if you're clicking here, so it will change, everything will be changed according to that. Okay, you just make it like this, make it a satellite. You can click on Texas, so it will change according to that. Just reset it. So I think you can make a pretty big map also like this. So I think that's it from this video, guys. Now I have shown you in case of time series how to create a dashboard kind of thing, or in case of simple data, if you have, how to create so you can basically put your own data in this Google Studio and you can create your own dashboard. What I will do, I will give the link of these two dashboards, and also basically for those two data sets of the CSV files also for population and for COVID cases also in the description, so you can download and you can have a feel of the data and you can first create a dashboard using these data sets only. So I hope you will like this video, so please give a thumbs up to this video, and also please subscribe to the channel, as I have seen in my YouTube statistics analytics, basically around 75 to 80% who are watching my videos have not subscribed to my channel. So please subscribe to the channel. It motivates me, and also it will give you, whenever I upload a video, you will get a notification. So thanks a lot for watching. Please thumbs up, and also do comment in the video if you face any problem in creating these kind of dashboards. Thanks for watching, guys.